students, I am Nityanand Upadhyay and I am going to teach you computer application, and today we will start word processor. Now definition. A word processor is an application software used to manipulate text, words, paragraphs or a document by using different types of tools. For example, Abbey Word, Corel, PageMaker, Google Docs, MS Word, etc. I'm again going to repeat the definition. A word processor is an application software used to manipulate text, words, paragraphs or a document by using different type of tools. Examples are Abbey Word, Corel, PageMaker, Google Docs, MS Word, etc. Now, feature of word processors are text formatting, means we can apply different type of style on our text. Copy, cutting and pasting, means we can copy a text from one place to another place. We can cut a particular text from one place and we can paste it number of times at the other place. Multimedia supports, means we can insert different type of shapes, different type of image and clip art also in our document. We can check spellings and grammatical mistakes. We can adjust the particular page layout, means we can increase or decrease the size of page according to us. We can set margin and other things. Find and replace feature is also available in word processor, through which we can find a particular word in a whole document and we can also replace it with a new word. Word wrapping, it means when we write, when we type our document, our word processor will change the line automatically when we reach at the end of the margin. We can insert header and footer to provide several information like page number, author's name or publication name on each and every page. Autocorrect option is also available, means if we, while typing, we are going to type any wrong spelling, it can be corrected by our word processor if that particular word is a part of English dictionary. Now, fields where we use word processors. So we can use word processor in book publishing. We use word processor to create document. We use word processor to create journal. We use to write letter also. Word processor to write letter also. We can create marketing plan with the help of word processor. We can create memo with the help of word processor. Report we can create, and resume also. So these are few fields where we can use word processor, but its use is large. We can't count on single page. In this chapter we will cover MS Word, which is the most popular word processor of present time. Now, step to start MS Word. First of all, we have to click on Start button, then All Program, then Microsoft Office, then on Word. You can see the sequence how to start MS Word. Start, All Program, Microsoft Office and then Word. Now, windows of MS Word. You can see quick access toolbar is there, file tab is there, ribbon is there, title bar, ruler, help, dialog box launcher, status bar, document area, view buttons, zoom control. So these are some few elements of windows of MS Word. window which contain open file name and running application name is known as title bar. As that's written CCC by Nitya and PowerPoint. So it is the running application name. PowerPoint is the name of running application, while CCC by Nitya is the name of the particular file. So title bar is the topmost bar which contains the file name and running application name. Now quick access toolbar. The toolbar available in the top left corner which keeps some tool for quick performance is called quick access toolbar. You can see the type of icons in toolbar. Now file button. File is the main button which provides us different options to perform type of task like to open a file, to save a file, etc. In the figure you can see when we click on file tab we get this type of option: info, new, open, save as, print, share, export, close, account, options, etc. So this is the use of file button. Now the different tabs available in Word are Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Page Layout tab, Reference tab, Mailing tab, Review tab and View tab. So these 8 are tabs which are available in MS Word window. I'm going to repeat it: Home tab, Insert tab, Design tab, Page Layout tab, Reference tab and Mailing tab. Now Home tab. This tab provides several options related to text formation. All the options grouped in named groups. The groups available in Home tab are clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing. Now in the figure you can see the elements of Home tab. In clipboard you can see copy, paste, cut and format painter option are available. In font group you can see we can fix the size, we can apply the bold, italic and underline effect along with strike through, subscript, superscript. In the same way in the paragraph group we can apply some settings regarding the paragraph. And styles, we can choose the styles of text. In editing we can use find, replace option. So that is all for today. We will meet in the next session with the knowledge of other tabs available in MS Word. Thank you students.